know most of you have heard about order block indicators, or rather order blocks finder, and this help you identify an order block in a chart. And basically you insert this on your chart and use any order block strategy you know to execute trades, and definitely you find yourself losing money and you end up asking yourself, why is this thing not working? Why is it not working for me? So guys, I have come with this solution right about now, and I'm going to use one order block indicator that you all know, but I'm going to show you additional thing we can use to really know a valid order block and how we can execute trades using the same order block indicator. Okay, so guys, stick here till the end because I'm going to combine order block with another thing that will help us execute trade. It's much detailed, so guys, stick here till the end and get the whole concept about this. And I know from this video most of you are going to really make money depending on order blocks. So remember, order blocks, they are the smart money concept, and they tell us where the orders are accumulated by the big players in the market. So guys, I welcome you to this amazing channel. Maybe it's the first time hearing my voice. I welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. So guys, let's get directly to the main objective of this video. So guys, I've told you I'm going to use indicator that we all know, an order block indicator, and I know most of you are using it even now, but I know you're losing money, or rather you're making more losses than your profits, and that end up draining your account each and every day. So guys, I do tell you, you cannot use indicator solely, so I'll also show you a strategy you can use to trade these order blocks. Okay, and so we're just going to use two amazing indicators still found on tradingview.com, and these indicators will help us filter out better and reliable order blocks, because we really know when this forms at this level over here, it's not valid at all. When it forms at this level over here, it's valid. And basically guys, I will show you right about now. So you're just going to click on indicator tab right here. This is a common indicator most of us use, and so you're just going to type order block finder experimental. This is the one we are going to use to know our order blocks. And as you can look closely, we have bearish order block in blue color, and we have bullish order block zone in white color. So this will help us know an order block. And most of the times we find that the order blocks you're seeing right here, they are not dependable. Not all of them you can rely on, and that's why I have come with a solution so that we'll be able to filter out better and better order blocks and accurate order blocks, and combining with that particular indicator that will help us execute trades. So guys, as you all know, we trade always in the direction of the market, rather when the market is ranging. But if you're not experienced, you should not trade ranging market. Okay, so guys, let me insert this indicator right now, and please pay attention because it's something I want you to keep in mind. Kindly pay attention. So just going to click on indicator tab right here, and I'm just going to use this amazing indicator called higher high lower low live by Lonesome. Click on it. Once you click on it, this is what we are going to use right now. So as you all know, the market moves in a zigzag way, but when you look closely, you will see this zigzag movement right here is heading to one direction. Also, it's moving to the same direction. Okay, so what are you supposed to do? This is what I want you to know. When the market is dropping like this, always have lower highs and lower low. And market rising like this, we always have higher highs and higher lows. Okay, and what happens right here when the market is dropping to the downside, all the lower lows are broken and there is a formation of lower highs. So lower highs are always and always respected when the market is trending to the downside. When the market is rising just like this, as you can see, we always have higher highs and higher lows. And when the market is proceeding to the upside, you notice that the higher lows are respected and the highs are broken. So what do you understand about this? When the market is rising like this, okay, when you see that will simply tell you that's a pullback. So using the order block indicator, what comes in your mind? This is what I want you to really know. Remember, we have bearish order blocks and we have bullish order blocks. So for you to execute trades and to see a valid order block, I am expecting to see a bearish order block on a lower high and on a higher high, and I am expecting to see see a bullish order block on a lower low and on a higher low. I hope I'm clear, simply because I've explained to you what really happens in the market. So you better write this down. So that's why we are going to use this indicator, which shows us the higher highs, the higher lows, and it shows us the higher lows and the lower lows. So guys, let's say I'm on my high over here. When the market is ranging, remember we always have equal highs and equal lows. So we sell high and we buy low. You understand me? And so what are you supposed to see? On high, I'm expecting to see a bearish order block, and on low, I'm expecting to see a bullish order block. Hope you are understanding what I am talking about. This will help us filter out invalid order blocks and definitely will be able to execute our orders confidently. So for instance, right here, this is a lower high over here, and so I'm expecting to see a bearish order block. So when you see a bearish order block on lower high, you should look for entries. And what are you supposed to do? When price breaks any structure right here, you can execute your orders right away, simply because it tells you this is a lower high and you should expect to see a bearish order block. This is a higher low over here, as you can see. And what are you expecting to see? A bullish order block. And once a break of structure happens, the market really pushes to the upside. And if you're loving my content right now, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So guys, that's what you can use this to always filter out a better and a better order block. Let's go to other time frames and see what is happening. So whenever you will see a bullish order block on a lower high and on a higher high, you should know that is an invalid order block. And when you see a bearish order block on a lower low, you should know that is an invalid order block. So the indicator has already shown us that this is a lower high over here too, and we have a bearish order block right here. And indeed, you can wait for break of structure and execute your trades. Very confident that this is a valid order block. Let's have a very good example again. This is a higher low over here, and you can see we have a bullish order block identified. Once the price breaks this structure over here, execute your orders right away. This gives you confidence. We have another higher low over here. This actually happened today, and we have a bullish order block zone over here, and the market really pushed to the upside. Once this structure is broken right here, execute your buy order. We have a lower high over here, and we had a bearish order block, and you can see this was a movement that really pushed to the downside, and it reacted to this zone. So you could have scalped several pips. That's how people use these indicators to really make money. Use breakout structure with what I have shown you right now. Keep in mind that you expect to see a bearish order block zone on a lower high and on a higher high, and you expect to see a bullish order block on a lower low and on a higher low. Just a recap of what I have just said. When the market is dropping, and when the market is rising, and when the market is ranging. When the market is ranging, we always have equal highs and we have equal lows, and so you expect to see a bearish order block on highs and you expect to see a bullish order block on low. When the market is dropping like this, when the market is selling, we always have lower highs and lower low, and the lower highs over here tends to be respected and lower lows tends to be broken. And so when you see a lower low over here when the market is dropping, this can show you that a pullback is taking over. So that's why you need to see a bullish order block over here. And since the market is dropping to the downside, this is why you expect to see a bearish order block. When the market is rising, we always have higher highs and higher lows. When the market is rising, the higher lows over here are respected and the higher highs are broken, simply because the market has to push to the upside again, form another higher high, then form another higher low right here, and form another higher high right here. So the higher highs are broken. And so when the market is rising to the upside, when you see a higher high, this tells you that the market is about to pull back. And so you expect to see a bearish order block zone on higher high, and you expect to see a bullish order block on higher low. That is what we really mean. And I hope guys have learned something from this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. So guys, what do I say? Bye. See you in my next video. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. Bye guys. See you in the next video.